A common error that comes after installing Yarn is running script is disabled on this system. Now, how do we fix it? We've been told that for more information, see about execution policies at this link over here, which is a web page. Again, how do we fix it? Open Powershell on your machine and run as administrator. Now open Powershell. I have mine opened already, and then fill this command in: Set-ExecutionPolicy RemoteSigned space dash scope space CurrentUser, and hit enter. Now choose yes, that is a capital Y, and hit enter. Right after this, all we need to do is to restart VS Code. That is, close VS Code and reopen it. Right after that, run yarn again, and that should work.